क्या है? Good morning, children. Our revision is going on. We have done so many chapters and also we have revised so many chapters according to a syllabus of first term. That is square and square roots, cube and cube roots, direct and inverse variation, profit, loss and discount, and so on. Now we have to revise the chapter linear equation in one variable. In our previous day, I have taught you about linear equation in one variable. Now revision is going on of this chapter. If you have any doubt in any question, you must say to me about your doubt. I will solve your problem. But question it is कि आपने try किया है नहीं. Also you have to try to solve all questions at least 3 times. If you have any difficulty in any question and if you have tried to solve that difficult question 3 times and you become unable to solve that question, then I will solve that question. You must say to me about your doubt. मेरा कहना है बेटा कि हमसे क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछिए. सारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए हम रेडी हैं हमेशा ही, लेकिन आप 3 बार ट्राई जरूर कर लें से. 3 बार ट्राई करने के बाद भी अगर क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व होता है तो क्वेश्चन हमसे पूछ लीजिए. जैसे एक क्वेश्चन है ब्रेन टीचर का 3 फर्स्ट. We have to solve the following. Question is find the positive value of the variable for which the given equation is satisfied. We have to evaluate the positive value of the variable for which the given equation is being satisfied. Or after doing cross multiplication, 5 into 1 minus x square is equal to minus 4 into 1 plus x square. Or 5 minus 5x square minus 4 minus 4x square. Or minus 5x square plus 4x square is equal to minus 4 minus 5. Or minus x square is equal to minus 9. Therefore, x is equal to square root of 9, that is 3. This is your positive value of x. Have any doubt in it? सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. Our question is 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is equal to minus 4 by 5. After doing cross multiplication, you have the same result. 5 into 1 minus x square is equal to minus 4 into 1 plus x square. Or 5 minus 5x square is equal to minus 4 minus 4x square. और x स्क्वायर पे हम लिखते हैं माइनस 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x स्क्वायर. माइनस 4x स्क्वायर को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हम लोगों ने सिर्फ किया. दिस वन बिकम प्लस 4x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4 माइनस 5 माइनस x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस 9. माइनस माइनस इज बीइंग कैंसिल. x इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9, दैट इज 3. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 इज इक्वल टू 3. हैव एनी डाउट इन इट? सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे बेटा. If you have any doubt at any point in the solution of question number 3 first meeting, you must say to me about your doubt. किसी बच्चे को इस solution में कहीं भी डाउट्स हो, किसी भी स्टेप में प्रॉब्लम हो, वो हमसे शेयर करें. नोट कर लिए बेटा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस, all students to solve the following question. Your question is this, three z square plus 7, 3 second, 3z square plus 7, 4 divided by 4 plus z square equal to 2. 4 plus z square is equal to 2. Also, you have to solve the following question. Can you solve this question? 3z square plus 7 by 4 plus z square equal to 2. Also, you have to solve 3z square plus 7 by 4 plus z square equal to 2. Also, you have to solve the following question. How will we become able to solve this question? Can you solve this question? By cross multiplication, we have the same result, or 3z square plus 7 equal to 2 into 4 plus z square, or 3z square plus 7 is equal to 8 plus 2z square, or 3z square minus 8 minus 7, or z square equal to 1. Therefore, z is equal to a square root of 1. That is 1. The square root of 1 equal to 1. Have any doubt in it? कहीं कुछ डाउट है? फिर से बताऊंगा। किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? If you have any doubt, then you must share to me about your doubt. सारे बच्चे नोट करेंगे। सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस, next question is this, also you have to solve the following given question. Question is x square minus 3x minus 28 x square minus 3x minus 28 by x square minus 49. Your equation is this, is equal to 3 by 17 is equal to 3 by 17 where x is not equal to 7. Solve for x. Question number 2. A, then find x. plus minus 7. Also, you have to follow given question. Can you solve this question? सारे बच्चे इसको ट्राई करेंगे. Your question it is x square minus 3x minus 28 by x square minus 49 equal to 3 by 17. Then find out the value of x where x is not equal to plus minus 7. Also you have to solve the following question. सॉल्व हो गया बेटा? नहीं सॉल्व हुआ? मैं बता देता हूँ। हाउ यू बिकम एबल टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, इसको देखेंगे हम लोग। एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x can be written as 7x plus 4x minus 28 divided by x whole square minus 7 whole square is equal to 3 by 17 और x कॉमन ले लिया, x minus 7 plus 4 x minus 7 by x plus 7 into x minus 7 is equal to 3 by 17 और x plus 4 into x minus 7 by x plus 7 into x minus 7 is equal to 3 by 17. This one is being cancelled. This one become in terms of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, and this one can be evaluated on the basis of middle split form or splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term means बीच वाले टर्म को इस तरह से दो टर्म में ब्रेक करना है कि ऐड करने पर -3x आए और मल्टीप्लाई करने पर -28x स्क्वायर के इक्वल आए। This -3x can be written as -7x plus 4x minus 3x, and after multiplying it, this one become -28x square. X into x minus 7 plus 4 into x minus 7 by this equal to 3 by 17. Or this one, x plus 4 by x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 17. और यहाँ सॉल्व कर देते हैं बेटा। और this 17x plus 68 is equal to 3x plus 21, 3x plus 21 और 17x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 68 और 14x is equal to minus 47. Therefore, x is equal to minus 47 by 14. It is your answer. Beta, your question it is x square minus 3x minus 28 by x square minus 49 is equal to 3 by 17, where x is not equal to plus minus 7. After solving the given equation x square minus 3x minus 28 by x square minus 49, we have the same result, x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 by x square minus 7 whole square, or x plus 4 into x minus 7 whole divided by x plus 7 into x minus 7 equal to 3 by 17. After taking as common x, your quantity will be x into x minus 7, plus after taking as common 4, remaining will be x minus 7, and after taking the common term as x minus 7, we have the same result, x plus 4 into x minus 7 by x plus 7 into x minus 7, both become cancelled. X plus 4 by x plus 7 equal to 3 by 17, x plus 4 by x plus 7 equal to 3 by 17. After cross multiplication, you have the same result. This 17x plus 68 is equal to 3x plus 21, or 17x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 68. 3x को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हम लोगों ने शिफ्ट किया. Finally, you have the same result. 17x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 68, or 14x is equal to minus 47. Therefore, x is equal to minus 47 by 14. It is your answer. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे बेटा. Have you any doubt in the solution of this question? सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए बेटा। बी फास्ट, बी फास्ट, सारे बच्चे जल्दी से नोट करें। सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए बेटा। हैव एनी डाउट इन इट? किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? किसी भी पॉइंट्स पर किसी बच्चे को डाउट्स है तो अपना अपना डाउट शेयर करें। हैव एनी डाउट इन एनी क्वेश्चन ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल? इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट at any point in the solution of this question, you must say to me, I will solve your problem. Horse question number 2. This is your horse 2. Horse 2. बेटा रब कर दें। सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए, जल्दी नोट कीजिए। किसी बच्चे को किसी पॉइंट्स पर कोई डाउट्स नहीं है ना? ठीक है बेटा, नोट हो गया? ओके।